स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome to Manual. So in today's video we'll talk about the Maharashtra B.Ed CET 2021. The batches are launched, so start your preparation from December onwards. Now this year due to the COVID, exam was postponed. Now the cap will be start. And if you talk about the 2021, then exam will not be postponed. So friends, those who scored the less mark in 2020, they can counter attack in 2021 to enter into the top colleges. Then the batches are launched for Maharashtra B.Ed CET 2021. If you scored less mark in 2020, then here it is the time you can prepare for the 2021 and can grab that one seat into the top colleges. So if you really want to become a teacher or want to make your career in the academics, then friends, kickstart your preparation from now onwards and crack Maharashtra B.Ed CETs. So for enrollment, call on 8828581455. And why only top colleges? Because the top colleges like BTTC, that is Bombay Teachers Training College, the Adarsh Shikshan Mandal's Adarsh Comprehensive College of Education and Research, which is in Pune, the KJ Somaiya Mumbai, and also the Thakur Sham Narayan College of Education and Research, Mumbai. So guys, why this college? Because when you will out from this college by holding the college tag, you will get the great scope, opportunities everywhere, because the top college has the tie-up with various institutes. So friends, college tag का ये benefit है, जब भी आप ऑन कैंपस इंटरव्यू हो या ऑफ कैंपस हो, यू कैन पार्टिसिपेट, और ये कॉलेज टैग आपको काफ़ी मदद करेगा टू गेट द प्लेसमेंट इन द टॉप इंस्टीट्यूट्स, बिकॉज कुछ कॉलेजेस का सिर्फ नाम ही काफ़ी होता है. द सेकेंड वन, द प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड, एंड द टॉप कॉलेजेस ऑलवेज हैज़ द 100% प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड. अगर हम बात करें BTTC और KJ सोमैया की, सेम इन केस ऑफ ACCR एंड TSCER, द टॉप कॉलेजेस हैज़ द ग्रेट फैकल्टी from the great institutes of India, where you can get the various pebbles of knowledge. The fourth one, resources, in case of infrastructure, in case of library, and in case all the facilities like hostel facilities, sports facilities. So friends, overall top college हमेशा best facility देती है. If we talk about the location, then these institutes are in Mumbai, Pune region. So top colleges का location हमेशा आपने observe किया होगा, top cities में ही top colleges क्यों होते हैं? Because the top colleges has a tie-up with various institute, so आपको job ढूंढने के लिए कहीं दूर नहीं जाना पड़ता. You can easily get various facilities in your surrounding. And the very important one, that is the alumni contact, because the alumni contact helps each and every student for getting the proper path in the respective fields. So friends, if you are looking to enter into the top colleges, so call and book your seats for Maharashtra B.Ed CET 2021 preparation. Visit at manualedu.com/B.Ed entrance. So you will get all the stuffs in your preparation, such as books, mock tests, sectional and full course. Here you will interact live with us. So this is all from the today's video. If you have any doubts and query, you can ask me in the below comment section. Thank you very much. Bye bye.